Hi everyone, Phil from Tech for Techs. What do you do when you want to transfer data from an SD card, microSD card, or even a compact flash card? Well, you normally get that old card reader out your drawer, which probably runs at around about 10 megabytes per second. That number probably means absolutely nothing to you, but it basically means it's going to transfer your data really slow. That's where this product comes into play. This is the Akasa USB 3.2 3-in-1 card reader. So basics is, it is a card reader, like the one you've probably got in your drawer, but you basically plug it into your PC, plug your card in there, and it allows you to transfer data up to 5 gigabits per second. That works out roughly 625 megabytes per second. So that's a huge difference between the card reader you've probably got in your drawer, which only runs at 10. We do have links in the description for this product, and it retails at roughly around about £19, so it's a good investment if it runs at the speeds it states. And that's what we're going to do now. We're going to test it and see what it's like. Before we go on to the main video, if you would do us a favour, click that like button, subscribe, click the bell as well. That way you'll get notifications of new videos and live streams we do. Again, doing all these things helps support the channel, and helping to support the channel allows us to release more videos, better quality videos, and more content exclusively just for you. Okay, so as you can see, we've got the Akasa USB 3.2 Type-C 3-in-1 card reader. Supports compact flash, which is CF, SD cards, and you've got MicroSD cards as well. And as you can see, white box, product's grey. Side just tells you what it is. On the back it gives you a little bit more information. Let's just zoom in, there you go. As you can see, it supports SDXC, SDHC, which is all up here if you can't see, MicroSd, MicroSDXC, and MicroSDHC, and compact flash, which is CF1 or CF2. And it's also got English on there, writing, as well as other languages for more information, but it basically works on Windows XP and above. Pretty much anything that's got a USB Type-C port it should work on. But that's pretty much it for the box. Okay, so this is what's inside the box. You do actually have a manual inside this one. I would have preferred a QR code on there rather than a manual. That way they can update it, saves paperwork and so forth. And to be honest, do you really need a manual to tell you how it works? You plug it into a USB-C port, then you plug your SD, microSD or compact flash card into it. It's not too difficult to do, but you have got specifications on there and a few bits of other information on there as well. Let's have a look at the rest of it. So you've got a nice little bag it comes with to keep it in. So it's pretty nice, black with a bit of red on there, and then obviously you can tie it up. So that's pretty nice, they don't have to include that. Now you've got the product itself. As you can see, the USB-C cable there does have a little cap on the end. Most people will lose those, so it's up to you if you keep it or not, but it keeps it clean. So USB-C is reversible, so obviously if you're buying this for a PC or laptop or whatever device you're using it on, make sure you've got a USB-C port on your device, which looks a little bit like that. Oh, well, not a little bit, but exactly like that. That's a traditional USB. That's USB Type-C. That's HDMI in the middle, which we don't need to worry about. So that gives you a rough idea. The cable is roughly 15 centimeters long. It is attached to the box, so there's no way you can disconnect it or anything like that. It's a metallic finish on there, and you've got, it says Akasa basically. You've got a little slot on the side for compact flash, which it shows you there with an arrow pointing to it. And then you've got SD and microSD with arrows pointing to it on the end there. The end bit is plastic rather than metal. But otherwise, that's pretty much it. All you do, if you want to use it, you plug obviously the USB-C side into your laptop or PC or whatever you're plugging it into. Get a card and plug it in. It's as simple as that. Obviously make sure you plug it in the right way around. The card, the USB-C slot doesn't really matter. One thing I would have liked to have seen with this is some sort of adapter included, which changes it to USB Type A, so you can plug it into a traditional port like you get on most PCs and laptops, especially older ones. Even though it might go a little bit slower than the USB-C type, it's nice to have the option there so you can swap it between devices. I know you can buy them aftermarket, and these don't cost a huge amount, so it's something just to be aware of. Thank you for watching this video, everyone. It's really appreciated you made it all the way to the end. Please make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and even click that bell so you get notifications of new videos and live streams. It does help support the channel, and supporting the channel basically means that we can release more content for you and also better quality content going forward. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.